You are welcome to this training. My name is Great Andrew. I am the facilitator of this training, also the CEO of Helios Web Technologies. So in this training, you're going to be learning how to design website without having the knowledge of coding. You'll be able to design different kinds of website after this training. So you have to, take this training very serious because it's hardly before you can get this kind of opportunity anywhere. So right now, I will be taking you through just the introduction to this training. But after that, Anderson will take you through the process of the web design. So to start with, first of all, to start a website or to create a website, you must have two components that will enable you to display your website to a global platform. So the first thing that you have to acquire is called domain name. For instance, a domain name is just like an identity of your website. Just like every person has a name, your website also has a name. It's called a domain name. Okay. Then after that, you also have to get your hosting package. Your hosting package is just like a carrier or a storage where your website is being kept. That is a carrier of your website. So all the design that you're going to make or the website that you're going to create will be carried by your hosting package, which is being stored on the cloud. So with these two components now, the domain name and the hosting package, you can be able to get your website to millions of users or billions of internet users all over the world. So to start with now, you have to choose a good hosting company make your website to run very well. So now there are several hosting companies that one can use. For instance, there is Truehost, there is a Q server, there is Namecheap, there is GoDaddy, there is Hostinja. There are a lot of them. But for me, I love using Truehost. Truehost is very flexible and their service is very fast. When you create your website using Truehost, your website will be running on a very high speed. So, to have a good website, your website must be have a high speed. The speed of your website should be very high, so that when people are trying to access your website, it will not take them long. There are some websites that when you're trying to open it, it will take a very long time before it can open. So some of the factors that can determine how fast your website can open is a hosting component. So right now, I'm going to be taking you to the process of registering with a hosting company, buying a domain name and hosting package. So now I will be using a Truehost. As I said before, Truehost is one of the best companies that we use. I love using them because of the benefits they can give you a discount, especially when you use my link. I have a specialized link that I use for my clients and also for my students. When you use that link to purchase your domain name and hosting package, you will be sure of a discount. For instance, now if you see on the screen here now, you can see that this package is sold at 750 naira per month, but with my link you can get it for 600. This one also is sold at 1,800 naira. per month, but with my link I get it at 1,500. So on. You can see this one here, 285. See this one here, 11,250. But with my link, you can get this from 9,300. So right now, after this video, I will be giving you a link so that you get it at a discounted price. So first and foremost, now to start with, you have to register an account with a hosting company. And to do that, just when you open the website, just go straight to the register, click on register. After you click on register, you enter your details. You see, you enter your details, register properly. That first name, enter your second name, you enter your email address, you can select your email address, then you enter your phone number. So with your phone number, okay, enter your phone number. My phone number 07084513403. So then you enter your address. Enter your address. So you enter the correct information so that your registration will go through. Enter your postal code. So after that now, if somebody, how you now choose how you find them. If you want to, you can leave it like that. You can say through friend, understand? So you can as well choose your currency. If you are using US dollar to make payment, you choose it. If you're using Naira to make payment, you choose it. If you are operating from Nigeria, you can choose Naira so that you can easily, pay through your bank card or through transfer. So after that now, you create a password. Create a password. Ensure that you use something that password that you can easily remember. Okay. And enter a strong password. It's telling me that this password is weak. Ensure you enter a strong password that people cannot guess easily. So after that now, click I have read and agree to the terms of service. So when that is done, you click register. You can save your details if you wish to. See now, I have registered. Now I have registered with two hosts. Now I can go ahead and purchase my domain. See, I can purchase my domain name. First of all, you have to click domain search to ensure that you get the correct domain, the domain you want, the domain that is available. First of all, to choose your domain or to purchase your domain, you would have in mind the name that you want to use for your website. For instance, you can see some websites that answer like my website here. You can see this is hiosweb.com. You understand? You can use different extensions. In websites, domain, you can use .com extension, you can use .com.ng, .africa, .net, depending. So all of them, they have their different prices. So you can use .com. .com is mostly used for commercial websites. You understand? For commercial websites. So now you can see this .com domain is sold at 7,000 naira per year. See this one, this is .com.ng. This is mostly used for businesses that are maybe run within Nigeria. See, you can get the domain name at 1,000 naira per year. See this dot Africa, see anyone, whichever one you want to use, you can go for it. But in this case now, you can enter your username here, your domain name here to search for it. For instance, maybe you want to use, let's say, um good news, goodnews.com. See, is goodnews.com. Now let's search for goodnews.com to know if it's not available. It has been taken. So since it has been taken now, we now choose another domain name. Let's say we want to choose pure trades, puretrades.com. Click search to know if it is available. See, pure trade has been taken. So choose another one, check another one. So for you to check your name, you have to use a name that is aligned with your business. You can use your business name. For instance, if your business name is let's say luxury clothing or luxury boutique. Let's say luxury clothing. See, you can say luxuryclothing.com. So let's search and see if it's available. See, it has been taken. It has been taken. So you have to be tweaking like that until you get the one that's available. See, or you can use luxuryboutique.com. Let's see. Okay, luxury boutique is available. So since it is available now, so what you need to do is to click add to cart. Click add to cart, click checkout, click here, come back to the home page. So I select your domain hosting package. So as a beginner, you can go with silver hosting package. Just select this. So instead of 750 naira, you pay 600 naira. That is, you get a discount by using my link. That is if you're paying for 12 months. So you pay for 12 months hosting. My link, you get it at 600 naira. So now you can say use a domain already in my cart. Let's say okay, use the domain already in my cart. Then here now you select this for 12 months. If you are paying for 1 month, that means you will not be getting any discount. Pay for 3 months or 6 months, no discount. That's why you have to select 12 months, 12 months or 24 months or 36 months so that you'll be able to get a discount. See, you're getting 20% discount for 1 year subscription. So you select it. When you select this now, you click continue. Now the hosting package has added. Then you click continue again. So here now, this is the checkout page. You can see now the domain registration is 7,000 naira. Then the hosting package for 1 year, that is 7,500. As the total is 14,500 instead of 16,000. So you're saving around 1,500. So at this stage now, you just click checkout so that you can make your payments. So now you click checkout. So, when you click checkout now, if you're paying through Visa card or Visa or MasterCard, you click here. If you are paying through bank deposit, you select here. Understand? If you are paying through PayPal, you select here. Whichever method you want to use, you pay through Visa and MasterCard, Visa and MasterCard debit and credit card for Paystack. So you can choose this one if you're paying from Nigeria or bank deposit if you're paying from Nigeria. So you click, like for instance, me, I want to use bank deposit, select bank deposit, and I click I have read and I agree with the terms and of service. Then after that, you click complete order. See now, this is your invoice. So with this now, you can go ahead and send the payment to this bank account. You send your payment to this bank account. So when you send this payment to this bank account now, through host will receive it and they will just take few hours and your hosting package and the domain name will be live on the internet. After the propagation, now they are going to send you email with the email address you registered with. They will send you email which will contain your control panel access, your login access. So when you log in now, you'll be able to, set up your website and start. So I will give you the link, the special link that you use to register your domain name and the hosting package. So I want you to sit back and as Mr. Anderson will be taking you on throughout the entire training. So just sit back and enjoy the training. So I'll be waiting for you at the other side. Thank you.